long or adios, you say, and then I closed all the doors and left all behind with a hope I would find my way back to you later. You said our love will be greater when I get to feel you again. Hope it's all we have. What I miss most of all is a little funny. It's a song with no words, your morning lullaby. What I miss most of all is how I embraced you when you sang into my ear your morning lullaby. But here